Hello, dear viewers. Today I will show you how to create a Dutch roof or a roof vent in Archicad. You will be able to create a roof vent in Archicad, as you can see here, without having to split your roof. So all you need to do is to drag a copy and etc. as I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let's start. I'm going to close this. So I'm going to open a new one. Also, you can see how we modeled the 3-bedroom in Archicad and how we model the roof, but I will also show you how to model that roof, then to add a roof vent in this video. So you can see the 3D. Let's go to the plan view. So you can see the first story. So we will go to the ground floor. So just right click there, then go to ground floor. Right, so I'm going to create a roof vent here at the veranda because I need a lot of light in my lounge. So I'm also going to create another roof vent in the backyard. So I prefer to start by modeling that roof. So I will need to pick my complex roof. As you can see, they are checked, and then I will drag it just like a polygon through this 3-bedroom house. As I have told you, you can watch how I modeled this roof in my video in the description. So you can see the complex roof, or this is called a hipped or a gable roof. All right. So let's go back to the ground floor. I will need just to select my roof, move, drag a copy. I just need to drag one copy. All right. So I will then click and then split into single plane roofs. Split anyway, don't worry about the warning. So although the roof is split into single plane roof, the circles indicate that the roof is still not ungrouped. So it is still grouped. So we need to ungroup, and to do that, you need to go to your keyboard and press Alt plus G in your keyboard. So just press Alt plus G in your keyboard, then you'll be able to split this roof into single plane roofs. I mean to ungroup, because we have already split the roof. So we just need to ungroup so that we can see that this roof is now a single plane roofs. So now you can see I've pressed Alt plus G in my keyboard. Now it is low. It's now split. So I will drag this copy, move. I will drag it somewhere. Then I will activate the line tool. I will draw a line from this point. And then I will drag this. I want my roof vent to be around 1500. So I will drag it by 1500 millimeters, that is mm. So Shift D 1500 mm. Then I will pick my roof and then pick so I will pick my roof and then I will pick split and click the intersection between the line and the roof. Then holding Shift key, drag and select the portion that I want to delete. So it is this, the lower portion, and then click OK. Just continue. Then you can see the portion is deleted. So after that, I will come and select my roof where I need to create the dash roof. Then I will need to pick this mid span, right click. So I will need to move this wall because the ground floor slab, because they are interfering. I just need to select the roof and then that mid span, then right click. So I will have to drag this slab and also drag that particular wall away from my roof, because I'm selecting it instead of selecting my roof. So you can see I can't pick that midspan, picking the wall instead. So I got no choice here. So let me try the last one. Oops. So I will have to drag that slab away. I can just drag it from here. Then I'll drag this wall away. Still the same issue. It's picking the wall instead. So I will drag the wall just some distance away. So now it will work. So just pick the roof, select it, then pick the mid span and right click. Then you don't need to right click, you can just see this pops up. Then select, pick custom planes. Then I will change to gable. Then okay. Then I can drag the slab and the wall back to their original position because I'm now done. And I can drag the ground floor slab back to its original shape here. Now let's see the 3D, what we've just created. You can see we have created a gable shape here. Okay, so now we will need to go back to our ground floor level. Then I'll pick these single plane roof, which I just cut, I drag it there. So you can see the 3D. So I will need to do some connection operation here. I select both my roof, right click on my keyboard, then connect, then solid element operations. Then I will pick this as a single plane roof, add as an operator. The other one I'll add as a target. Then subtract upward extrusion, then execute. So you can see now we have been able to create a roof vent without having to split this roof into single plane roofs. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a roof vent in Archicad in a very simple manner without having to split your roof into single plane roofs. You just need to do use a drag a copy and then you follow those steps. So you can also, if you like this video, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.